Did you know that you can use find and replace to replace colors? Now, a little warning with find and replace. If you have a single cell selector when you run find and replace, it actually works on the whole sheet. Now, that may not be what you want. It is always a good idea to select a range before you run find and replace. But before I do it, I'm going to start the clock. Okay, so find and replace, select the range first. Control H is the find and replace shortcut. Click on the options button. Now you've got to click on the format that you want to change. So what you can do is click this drop down and choose the format from a cell. So I can just choose that cell. So there's my yellow. Now the yellow that I want to use is, I'm just going to tone things down. So I'm going to click the drop down, click on format, go to fill, go to more colors, and I'd rather a more subdued yellow. So I'm going to choose that one, click OK, and OK again. And so you can see the change there. And then I can just click replace all. And it tells me I've done 4. And we're done. Close, stop. And there we have it. We've changed the colors. So works really well. You can do it on large ranges and it's updated all the colors in one go. One advantage with this is that if you have, you need to do it on multiple sheets, it actually remembers the settings. So it's quite good. So for example, if I go here and let's go and say I put some of these yellows all around the place. I might even have time to do it with the clock here. So let's see how fast I can change all of these to a different yellow. So here we go. Start, select the range, Control H. And there you can see, replace all, OK, close, stop. Look at that, we did it. 1 second left. So yeah, so if you've got other sheets that you need to change that color with as well, once you've done it on one sheet, it's quite easy to go to another sheet and do that same change. So find and replace does other things other than just finding replace numbers and text. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.